Okay, well, here's what we found. We found that the instructions, and we're almost tore in half already and we ripped them. But one thing we noticed real quick is right here. Hopefully you can see that. There's supposed to be 8 holes to mount this thing. See that? Wow, look at the Jeep. It's got 2. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a template for the bumper and mount it, and then we're going to drill 2 more holes. We just got to do some planning on figuring out how we're going to do that. So stay tuned. We'll be right there, and we're going to make this thing work. All right, so you can see there's the holes. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a template, all right? What we're going to do is we're going to put a piece of cardboard across here. Hoping to use this piece right here. You can see that this goes almost all the way. So not quite what we want. So I'm going to get another piece of cardboard. Thinking this one here. So let's cut the bottom of this out. All right, so here we go. Get this. Take a little more off. Doesn't quite fit in there. There we go. So we cut this to the length. We can push it against here. Now you can see where those holes are. So now what we can do is try to come underneath and mark them. All right, so it's going to be easier to do. We turn this upside down in the box. So we can push this up like this, line this up like this, take our marker and go like this. You can see we aren't able to mark that one. So you can see you got real nice marks here. So what we're going to have to do, open our bolt pack, find the right bolt, and then figure out what size we're going to drill the holes. We'll drill the cardboard first. Then we put the cardboard on the Jeep. Oh, apparently there's a hole in the box. Great. But here's the bolts to bolt it on, all right? There's the bolt. So our next job is to get a drill that size. So there's our drill bit. All right, we have to go inside and get our drill. So now what we're going to do, position this right in the center of the hole. All right, there's your template. Now the easy way to mount this grab us some bolts. All right, so you don't want to drill through and hit the gas tank. Take a hose clamp, put it on your drill, give it just a little bit of distance. Now remember that it goes this way, so don't leave it so this is coming forward. Make it so this is going backwards, so you don't cut yourself too easy. Take this, tighten it up on here. Okay, put the drill bit in there. Put your drill on slow, set your clutch. Start drilling. see if a bolt fits. Pretty tight. We purposely drill them a little small so that we can open them up. But you can't make them smaller later. And we'll take our hose clamp off our drill. Bring our drill up a size or two here. That should fit better. Oh yeah. And we gotta get this side. And again, I told you we get the bolts in. I think we'll be able to get those in from the back side by taping them to a tool. So that'll be our next thing, is fit the bumper. So let's get that and get started on that. All right, like and subscribe, post notifications on. You want to see the install. We'll go through how to take the bumper off your current Jeep very carefully because it's all original. We're going to save the parts. And then we'll talk about how we're going to put on the new stuff. I'm going to try to do it as a one-man show to show you how you do it if you're working by yourself. All right, and eventually we'll wire up those lights. We'll get those jerry cans mounted. So like and subscribe, post notifications on. See you in the next video.